Hello, welcome to another laughter yoga exercise. This one is called the Motown snap. It's kind of fun. So it looks like this. This is the movement. So what we're doing is we're taking the hands and we're taking a foot. We're just rocking it back, rock back, rock back, and then we're going to add a little inhale and exhale with a little laughter with it. So ha 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 ha. Remember, it's a fake it till you make it laughter. And don't worry about getting all the elements of this coordination together all at once. Just give it a try. Just cross the leg back, cross touch, back, back. So this has been Shay Rippinger of Hip The Hoopla. Hope you enjoyed this little laughter yoga exercise break. At the end of the laughter yoga exercises, we take our hands together and say, very good, yay. We do that twice. Very good, yay. Thank you so much. Rock on. Peace out. Bye.